Hi guys, welcome to My Beauty. Today we're doing, I might be doing a lot of pumpkin stuff, you guys, because, you know, fall be getting me. So we're doing
pumpkin
spice French toast.
Okay.
Guys, I be forgetting. Okay, so we have, where eggs there. So we're just gonna lightly scramble these. Alright, and to make this more healthy, we got a cup of almond milk. You can use a cup of regular milk if you prefer. And then we got a tablespoon of brown sugar and a tablespoon of white sugar. And then we got, I don't know, I think that's a tablespoon of pumpkin spice. I really don't know, you guys. Then there's a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then we got about 1/4 cup of pumpkin. And we're gonna whisk this all up until it's well combined, which might take a minute. And I'll be back and show you what it looks like. Okay, so we got our mixture all done up. And it smells all pumpkin-y. So we're gonna take our bread. Try to get brioche bread if you can. We're gonna dip it. And then you follow me over to the stove. And we got butter already sizzling, and we're just gonna put that in our pan and we'll be back. Okay guys, so I'm about to flip these. I ended up putting 2 in here because I had room, so there we go. So when they're about golden brown like that, or you can make them get more brown if you like. So, and then we're gonna wait for the other side to get done and we'll be back. Okay guys, so kind of over here because I got it. Anyway, so we're making the pumpkin spice butter, which is just 3 ingredients. Why did I do that? Okay, it's just 1 stick of softened butter, about a tablespoon of what do you call that stuff?
I don't know, brown sugar? Brown sugar,
there you go. And we got 1/2 tablespoon of pumpkin spice. Yep, there you go. We're just gonna blend this up. All right, there you go. There you have it, and you can just spread that on your French toast. And next, we're doing a vanilla maple coffee. Yep, there we go. So I gotta heat this up for a little bit. Anyway. So while we wait on that, I got, this is all in the way. I should have been prepared, you guys, but I wasn't, so it is what it is. You know what? I don't need your smart mouth, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Just shut up. Okay. You should see, y'all, she's shaking her head over here like...
I ain't never seen nothing like it.
Like I done did something wrong. Okay. That's good enough. Alright, so we got 4 ounces of vanilla almond milk. And we're going to add about 4 ounces of coffee. Alright, we got a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And 2 tablespoons of maple syrup to sweeten it up. You can have a quick stir. And you can add some whipped cream or some cinnamon on top, some nutmeg, whatever you want. So you can have this with your pumpkin spice breakfast. And that's it for this video. I'll show you, yeah, y'all know. Anyway, that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Love you, bye.